Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Art Reply, and today I'm going to talk about what you need to start your YouTube channel as a beginner. Let's jump into the video.
Arts Workfly.
Things that you need to start your YouTube channel as a beginner. Alright guys, so let me start by saying you don't need anything but your phone. But if you do want to upgrade a little bit, to do a little bit more, here's what you need. Now, I started off my YouTube channel just with my laptop, so I was just doing tabletop recordings. I wasn't using my phone, just my laptop. It was a Windows laptop. I don't remember if it was HP, whatever, but it was not Apple. It was a simple computer with Windows. It had a software that can record. So that is what I used. The laptop came with something that could edit the videos also. So if you're just beginning and you don't have all of these fanciness, I can recommend what I used to use before. Alright, so I'm going to put it here on the screen. So as I was saying, if you want to upgrade a little bit more, do a little bit more, so you already started your YouTube channel and want to know what you should get next, here's what you need. Most of these videos, I took them down because it was a bit cringy, wasn't all that. So I ended up took them down, but I did leave the one that I first upload. I might show a bit of a clip here, a video here in this video, how it looked and what I did of my first video. Alright guys, then after the laptop wasn't working out for me because I wanted to go out and do a bit more videos and stuff like that, the laptop wasn't working for me, so I decided to buy a camera. Bad idea. If I should start over guys, I would definitely recommend these equipments. One, I would get an appropriate phone. Hear what I said, appropriate phone. You don't need an iPhone. This phone right here is a Samsung, and I was using another Samsung before that to do some recording. Alright, so get an appropriate phone, a phone that can record. Alright, you don't need an Apple or whatever phone they have out there doing all these fanciness. Alright, start with something simple, or if you can afford it, buy the Apple. Number two, you need two standing lights. Now, a ring light is also necessary, but I hardly use my ring light, alright? I most time use the standing lights. I can't move them right now, but I will definitely insert a picture here. So the two standing lights, you need that. Now, the third one that I would recommend is a phone stand. I will take a picture of this one that I'm using, and all of these equipments that I'm talking about, I got them from Temu on sale. So most of them was $5, $6, $7, etc. Was very cheap, under $10. I got them on sale. These lights were on sale for less than $10. Both of them on sale for less than $10. I'm going to show you the picture of the phone stand that I'm using. Now the phone stand you can bring anywhere, so if nobody's there to hold your phone for you, or you don't trust anybody to hold your phone for you, you have your stand that can hold your phone and you take a little walk in footage and whatever you need to do. Alright guys, now if you're an artist or a cook or somebody like that, you probably would want to get an overhead tripod. Now I am an artist, I do a lot of tabletop workings and stuff like that, so I definitely needed an overhead tripod. Now the phone stand can use, but the thing is I would have to stretch to see what is going on the video or on the phone. So this right here is a bit easier. So this is the overhead tripod that I bought. It has been working, but I need a longer one. I wish this part here could have stretched a bit more, so I will work with this until I can purchase another one if needs be, but I don't think I want to do that until I get over 3,000 subscribers. So one day, okay guys, so I'm working with that overhead tripod for now. As I said, I got that from Temu guys, Temu. Let me show you once again. I might insert a picture of it. Alright, and it has a ring light at the top. So this one is the one that is working for me. I have two, but this one is the best one that is working for me right now. Alright, The next one is I will definitely recommend a storage device. At the beginning, when I started to do my videos, I was having a lot of challenges storing my videos on my laptop, on my phone, etc. And sometimes when I would run out of space, I would just stop recording because I have no space, etc., etc. But with this, I can just throw everything on it. I can just throw everything on it, forget about it, and then come back and edit my videos when I need it to. So this has been a lifesaver. I definitely would recommend it. All right. Also get yourself a small thumb drive. All right. I will insert a picture here just in case you have some more important documents that you want to travel with, and you don't want to travel with this big thing here. But it's not all that big, but if you want like a little small thing right here, get yourself a thumb drive. All right. So this is what I'm using, and this part here, it goes in my phone. This end attached to this right here, and I can just transfer the files from my phone to this right here, and I will always have storage in my phone to continue recording, etc., etc. So let's say I'm going on vacation and I'm enjoying my little vacation and I'm videoing on there, and I run out of space, and then when I go in my purse, I have my little storage device. I can easily take 1 minute to transfer everything from my phone and then back to recording. It has been a lifesaver, guys. Good investment. Not like good investment, good amount of money, but good investment. All right, good. Now what I would also recommend, if you're doing night videos or the place is a bit dark and you just have your phone and your tripod, your hand tripod, which I will talk about for number 6, or it was 7, is this light here. I got this from Temu also, so you can attach it to your tripod or to your phone and get some light. Or if it cannot be attached, it can still be used by your phone is in one hand and the light is over and you're recording. All right, so you can do it like that. Now I think I'm at number 7, or if not number 7, it's number 6. So this one here is a handheld tripod. So let's say you don't want to use your phone stand, this is what you can use. All right, guys. Now I recommend getting one that can bend and wrap around something, or put like that on a little shelf or something and record. So I definitely would recommend something like this. Not this one specifically, I can't find my other one, but get something as strong. Get something very, very strong that can wrap around the grill or put on a shelf, etc. This is it, guys. And you have your lights and you have your storage device. Ensure that you buy this one and this one. I don't think they sell it together, but you can check it out. Now ensure that you have a good phone for recording. All right, ensure that you have your 2 lights, your phone stand, and your overhead if you're doing videos like art, drawing, food, something, Bible studies that has to do with the table, them looking on the table. Get yourself an overhead tripod. All right, so another thing I would recommend is a little space where you could sit and record. All right, like for example, this background here is just a plain wall. You can always do other things to the background if you want. Go ahead and do so, but it can also be plain. Never mind all of this fanciness going on here. I'm just being a little bit extra. All right, some of these things are just being extra. All right, you don't have to be extra at the beginning. All right, so you just need a little space and you're good to go if you're doing standing. If you're going outdoors, you're free to do whatever you want. All right, guys. You can always edit on your phone or your laptop, but if you want a good editing software, I recommend that you save and buy an Apple laptop or download iMovie on your phone. All right, guys. But if not, get a simple editor on your phone and you're good to go. All right, don't need all of that. But if you do have little money or little cash on you, get yourself an Apple laptop. All right, guys, that's what I would recommend. Now, out of all the recommendations, this is what I really do recommend is the 2 light stands, phone stand, the storage device, the handheld tripod, and 5 just a little area to sit and talk. And that's it. That's it. As a beginner, that's all you need. But if you want to step up a little bit more, you can go ahead and do your little fanciness and stuff like that. Out of everything that I've mentioned, what I will definitely recommend is the phone. For further recommendations, I will definitely buy like a glasses with the camera in it, because where I live, they don't want us to video inside the stores and stuff like that. So what I definitely will be trying soon is the camera glasses, so stay tuned for that. I will tell you whether or not it's going to be a good recommendation or not. Another one that I will try out is the phone case that can stick anywhere. Alright, so let's see if it can replace the handheld tripod. I bought 2. I didn't receive it as yet, but stay tuned for that recommendation, guys, if I will recommend it or not, but you have to stay tuned for that. So those are the 2 that I definitely recommend you trying out. Alright, the glasses and the phone case, or the phone attachment that can stick anywhere. Stay tuned for that. Oh, another one is a mic. I think a mic is definitely needed, but I bought one, but I'm not sure if it's not working or it's me not working it properly. But stay tuned for that update. So you definitely might need a mic on windy days, or days where you're like far away from your phone and you're speaking and you're not sure if the phone is picking up the audio. You can go ahead and purchase a mic. Okay, get the mic with the puff case on it, but if you can't afford that, a simple mic would be good. All right, so think about the quality in terms of audio on your video. No, my videos are not 100% as yet, but I'm getting there. Comparing to my first video, I'm getting there. All right, guys, so that is my recommendation for things that you need to start your YouTube channel as a beginner. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Artwork Fly.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.